Hi, I'm Marie and I've been teaching thousands of people to paint realistic watercolours for years. Ever wanted to paint like this? Well, you can take this free tutorial and see how you get on. The link is below, and in the full-length, nearly 2-hour tutorial, I provide a reference image and an outline drawing so that you can get straight into the painting. In this tutorial, I'll show you how I mix and blend the colours to achieve smooth transitions within the petals and also the gradual change from dark to light tones to create depth in your painting, producing a realistic image. I concentrate on the contrast between these tonal values and also the colours, as this is what creates a real feeling of depth and therefore a three-dimensional image. Following my simple steps, you'll be amazed at the paintings that you can produce. I break the process down so that each stage is completely manageable, even for a complete beginner. And this avoids the overwhelm of looking at your subject matter and not knowing where to start. I'm also on hand if you have any questions or need any help getting going. Once you've mastered these simple techniques, you can literally paint anything you like by using the same method of breaking a complex or maybe overwhelming subject down into small steps and building up from there. So if you'd like to give this peony painting a go, the link is below to sign up and you'll be sent the full tutorial straight away. Please like and subscribe if you want to be kept up to date with my upcoming tips and technique videos, and I hope to see you over in the Watercolour Members Club. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.